Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Cecil, and today we are starting a brand new series called Call of Mini Infinity. As you can see, this is the starting line of the Call of Mini Infinity. As you know, every Call of Mini Infinity, it's wow, that head though, that head. As you know, every Call of Mini Infinity is always a block. So, yeah, this is Call of Mini Infinity, and I just started it, and okay, wait, where's the tutorial? Oh, I think it saved my one the last time, so okay. Later, have I even played this? No. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting. I played this like 3 days ago. Like 3 days ago, and I did hack it. Oh my gosh. I forgot about this. I'm so forgetful. Look at my character, son. Look at that. Let's change the item. This looks cool, you know, like that. HP, each kill increases your damage by 5%. No, we don't want that. Each kill, no. HP versus blah blah. HP plus 100, nope. Oh, we can have the body also? Oh, what's the other? This shield. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. This looks cool though. One glory for winning. Oh, what attack? On that side. On that side. Where's that side? Come on! Jetpack? Wait, can this reduce the damage taken by 20%? Wait, hold on. 1, 2. Wait, hold on. To the when you're jumping, I select the. Oh, ooh. What's this one? I didn't get this one, but this one looks cool. But I'll go with this one though. Item still. What's this one? HP 100, HP. I think this one's the attack one, so yeah, we're just gonna buy this. Equip this. This looks freaking ugly. Look at that, look at that shit. So, yeah. So, welcome to Call of Mini Infinity. This is a new series that I'm gonna do. And yeah. Kill to restore your HP. Blah blah blah, increases reload speed, increases critical damage, increases shield regeneration, increases blah blah blah, increases chances of doing that thing. So yeah, we are doing this. And look at this thing. I really do like this. Magma Spitter. IMP cannon, long press the shooting button to accumulate energy. And then the most powerful. Oh, this one is like a stinger launcher. Oh, let's upgrade this. Oh, dang. Oh my god. Target rifle. We're gonna try every single one of this. Okay, so by starting with this. Okay, first I will show you the Cartroom. That's such a weird name. So let's start the game. If you guys don't know what Call of Mini is, and basically it's like for my first video, which is whatever. My first video was Call of Mini Zombie 2, which is kind of good, and wow. And yeah, we're gonna start this straight away. Oh my gosh, we're already dominating. Oh, someone killed me with a saw. How's that even possible? Oh. Oh. Get wrecked. Wait, I'm on blue team. What am I doing? Wow, I usually don't even think about a thing. Get wrecked. look at this thing. I mean, like, this gun is awesome and all, but teleport spot here. Look at this thing. What is this? Oh, I didn't get it in time. Oh my god. So this gun isn't that good as I thought it would, but it is quite good though. Yes. Come here, man. Oh my gosh, there's a newbie here. Is my name Newbie? I think so. I'm pretty sure my name's Newbie also. Holy shit, what is it? What is that thing? Okay. Wow, sniper. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna quit this match and we're gonna see the sniper rifle. Pause and quit. Yeah. So we are gonna see every single one. We're gonna see every single weapon that I didn't even use. Well, let's start by using the... I have to upgrade all of these. Okay, let's start using Stinger Launcher. Oh, that looks cool though. I think we can win this one. I think I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Like, you can play with other players. And yeah, this is a hacked server, so I'm not sure about this. Stinger Launcher. Stinger Launcher. Bro, I thought it's supposed to... It says a Stinger Launcher. There we go. Finally. Dude, it's supposed to be a Stinger Launcher. What is it? It stings. Oh, wrecked by the missile. Bro, this Stinger Launcher sucks. Is it only me? Oh, no. There's F41Z. Let me quit this because the Stinger Launcher doesn't really sting. So I will follow the thing. Oh, dear lord. What's up with these weapons? They give themselves a cool name, but they're... games nowadays. But let's try the Black Mamba. That sounds weird. So let's grade. Okay. And equip that. Now we got a sniper rifle. Wow, that's quite good. And I think this will be the part 1 review of the weapons because I don't think so I have enough thingy, but let's just test out this one. I don't think so I have enough whatchamacallit. Battery, yes. Oh, did you see that? I did a quick scope. I did a freaking quick scope, man. Oh wow, this is actually quite good. Oh, it's quick scope though. Quick scope. Someone's wearing the same armor as me. Oh, get wrecked, son. How did I get the armor? I think this should be level 6. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, it's chaos. So we seen that, and I don't think so I have enough to like do the stuff. And yeah. So back and just find the other one. You know, the other one and stuff. Okay, no weapon. So what's this? Let's see. I think this will just be the part 1 review. And yeah, wait. Did I? Oh. Okay. We're gonna do the target rifle, and after that, we're gonna say goodbye. And yeah, this was just part 1 of the video. If you want to see the part 2, it will be coming out soon. Soon enough, I guess. I guess so. At least I'm guessing. Oh, I spawned inside. Oh dear lord, this thing sucks. But let's just get 1 kill, and it's time to say goodbye, right? Sniper rifles for a pro. Dear lord, what is that gun? I want that gun. I want that gun. Let's quit. I want to see that gun. Dear lord, if anyone of you knows what that gun is, you better tell me, because I really want that. As you can see, I have 5% left, and I'm just fine for that weapon. Like, seriously, which one is that? Is this one? In the game, for 15 days can obtain. View. Okay. So, imp hand cannon. So, yeah, I guess this is it for today, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down, maybe. And the next video will be coming out soon enough, which is probably today, which I'm doing it today, and stuff. Yeah. Peace out.